Chapter 4 Organizing, Part 35 Concept of Organizing. Organizing is the function that managers undertake to design, structure, and arrange the components of an organization's internal environment to facilitate attainment of organizational goals. Organizing creates the framework needed to reach a company's objectives and goals. Organizing is the establishment of effective authority relationship among selected work persons and workplace in order for the group to work together efficiently, or the process of dividing work into sections and department. The organizational process, organizing like planning, must be a carefully worked out and applied process. This process involves determining what work is needed to accomplish the goal, assigning those tasks to individuals, and arranging those individuals in a decision-making framework or a organizational structure. Theo Heyman said about organization or organizing. Organizing is the process of defining and grouping the activities of the entire process and establishing the authority and relationship among them. Organizing in management refers to the relation between people, work, and resources used to achieve the common objectives. Organizing in management. It is inevitable to have efficient organization for effective administration and management process. For the achievement of organizational objectives or a goal of the organization, not only with planning, but it is possible with the help of efficiently organizing each and every resources of the organization. Most of problems of management arises due to ineffective organization in the management. Planning is good, but inefficiency in organization that is going to fail the total and complete thing of the organization. Hence, the business unit could not achieve its goal in the specific time. That most of the work is not going to complete within the time period or not going to achieve its different target. It is time based and a goal oriented activity. If the business unit has capable and effective organizing, then through optimum use of resources, time, energy, and money can be saved and problems in the activities of business can be avoided. Each and every problems we can solve through proper organizations, especially about internal problems of the organization we can control. External problem is out of control of the managers. So efficient and effective organizing system is essential for every organization. Otherwise, unit is not going to achieve its goal and can't complete its work at a specific time. So effective management and along with effective organization also needed to lead company into a efficient one. Organizing is the concept basically involved with a group of people. Organizing means coordination and control among different workers of the business unit or any other organization. Where two or more people work together, the structure for the work accomplishment in an effective manner is called organizing. Where two or more people work together, the structure for the work accomplishment in an effective manner is called organizing. This structure means it is a group of officers or owners or managers, those who guide, supervise, and control his or her subordinate. Hence, it is also known as arrangement. For this structure going to form and the structure going to work, group of officials going to work for the accomplishment of objectives. So it is known as arrangement. It is a basic arrangement to make into effective one. In an organization, authority and responsibility are delegated to group of people gathered to achieve a common objective, and interrelationship is established among them. Maybe some of the big industries or big institution, their different department is there and coordinate different works of the various department and going to achieve the collectively going to achieve the organizational objective through making interrelationship among various department of an organization. For this, the human body is an excellent example, showing the better example about organization or organizing. Human body is an excellent example. The function of the different part of a human body is different, but still all the part of a human body is coordinated to one another. We know that our human body have a different organ, and this organ going to work together for making our body into a perfect one. So that same way that a different department and different persons working under a company work collectively work for achievement of the organizational objective. These objectives and this interrelation make the organization going to be a leading to be a effective one. So this effectiveness will help to make that organization into a profitable or a, no. In shortly, organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed, defining and delegating responsibility and authority, and establishing relationship for the purpose of enabling people to work most effectively together in accomplishing objectives.